Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So on this video, I'm going to teach you how to install ChromeOS Flex on any PC or laptop for this year of 2025. So basically, what is ChromeOS Flex? So it's going to be a lightweight, fast, and secure OS system by Google that can breathe new life into all your PCs and laptops. These are going to be applicable for all your PCs or even laptops. So basically, what will you need before installing this one? You're gonna need a USB flash drive, a minimum of 8 gigabytes. It doesn't mean 4 is enough, 6 is enough. Minimum of 8 gigabytes, and trust me, this is really the minimum. Moving forward, a PC or laptop with internet access may it be a dongle, an Ethernet cable, or even a Wi Fi. But I suggest Ethernet cable connected LAN cable is the best one for you. Google Go browser installed. Step 1 Intel, AMD, or compatible device. Should be 4 gig RAM, 16 gig internal storage or more, and full admin access. These are going to be the minimum requirements on your device. Step 2 Create a ChromeOS Flex bootable USB. By opening Google Chrome browser, install the Chromebook Recovery utility. This can be found on the Chrome Web Store. Launch the utility and click Get Started. It's going to be easy as that. Select a model list, choose the one that says Manufacturer, select Google Chrome OS Flex, and then product should be Chrome OS Flex. Now moving forward, insert your USB drive and select when it's prompted. Click Continue, Create Now, and basically wait for the process, typically around 10 to 15 minutes. Now boot the USB drive, shut down the target PC and laptop. Insert the USB after shutting it down, and basically turn it on. Common keys for BIOS is F11, Escape key, F9, or even delete, depends on the manufacturer. I think AMD processors are going to be F10 and F12. Select USB drive for the next step and least boot for Chrome OS Flex. Now, for Chrome OS Flex, this is optional for step 4. Before installing, you can make sure that this is directly from the USB. Test the OS to check compatibility for hardware. Now let's have some fun by installing it. On the welcome screen, get started. Follow the prompts, confirm installation, and wait for the installation to complete. This is around 10 to 20 minutes. The device will shut down automatically after finished. Remove the USB and power it back on, and of course, OS Flex is now installed. Now connect the Wi-Fi, sign into your Google account, make sure you're using OS Flex, okay? Now customize your settings, and basically these are my tips for you. So Chrome OS Flex does not support Android apps yet. Best suited for web-based workflows and basically Google Drive and other cloud services to store files. And that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one.